Alright YouTube, my name is Alex and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about an issue I've been having with my DSLR and external microphone, and I'll be showing you how to fix it. Now I use a Canon 200D or SL2 if you're in North America, together with a Rode Videomic Go. And I've been getting this annoying hissing sound or white noise in a lot of my videos. And some of you may have even heard it in my videos or in other people's videos, because it seems to be quite a common issue with other DSLRs and external microphones. I even went as far as contacting Rode, the manufacturer, but they had no clue what was going on. So it took me a while to find a solution, but I finally managed to fix it. Now I'll start by showing you a few examples so that you know what I'm talking about. But before we continue, I just want to mention that 85% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. It really helps out my channel if you do, and this way you won't miss out on any of my next videos. Now without further ado, let's dive into some examples. It's looking good. I'm sure you'll see.
Let's go that way.
Alright, so as you're able to see, the hissing sound completely ruins the audio, and it's definitely not something that you want to have in your videos. So let's take a closer look at my camera and see how we can fix this. Alright, I have my camera. So in order to get started, we have to turn on the camera and turn it on video mode. And then in order to access the settings that we need, we also have to put it on manual mode. So then to get to the settings, you press on menu, and then we need the first one, so shooting settings. And we have to be on the first page of shooting settings out of the total 5. And then you're going to go to the sound recording menu. So by default, this setting is set to auto. So when you set the sound recording to manual, you can adjust the recording level. And I've seen some people have it all the way down. I keep it at about here, less than a quarter in. And I feel that this works pretty well for me, but feel free to play around with this. But just see the difference, and you'll notice right away that the hissing sound will go away. This setting is also called the auto gain control, because it automatically increases the gain of the audio. So when you have an external mic, the camera doesn't really know what to do, and it just bumps up the audio, and you get all these weird sounds like you just heard in the examples I showed you. And that is actually everything you have to change. You can back out of the menu and it will work perfectly now. Just remember that if you're not using an external microphone, to turn the sound recording back up to auto, because then the camera will use the internal microphone again. And for that microphone, it works best with auto. Alright, that's it for today. If this video was helpful for you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos.